Hi there guys, and welcome back to another video. Now in the last one we proved this formula here that says the area of any triangle is a half AB times sine C, where A and B are two of the sides and C is the angle of the side that we haven't included, so the other side. Okay, now we're going to, in this video, use this formula in order to find missing sides in a triangle. So here we go, here's the question. So we've got this triangle ABC, we've got the angle C is 30 degrees, and we've got the side AC is X. And the question says the sides BC and AC are in the ratio 2:1. We're told the area is 50 centimeters cubed, we're asked to find X. So let's write down what we know. So B to C in the ratio 2:1 with A to C tells us that BC divided by AC equals 2. Okay, and if this is the case, then BC must be two lots of AC, and AC is X. So this tells us that BC is 2X, whatever this X is that we're trying to find out. Now, we're now going to use our formula for the area of a triangle. We know the area is 50. And one more thing we need to know is the value of sine 30 degrees. Okay, if you want to quickly draw a sketch, there's the sine graph, there's 180, 30, here's 1, 0 and minus 1, 30 degrees is sort of here, and sine of 30 is actually a half. Okay, so that's sort of that. Okay, if you struggle with remembering your trig values, then I have made a video on this already, so feel free to go and check that out. Right, so the area then of this triangle, by our formula here, is 1/2 times A. In this case, that's going to be AC, which is X. So I'll put them in brackets to avoid ambiguity. B, in this case it's going to be the side BC, which is 2X, and sine of C, which is 30 in this case. Okay, so basically when you're using this formula, it's the two sides, and then imagine this is the third side, it's the angle across from that. Okay, and we know this is equal to 50. Yeah, we've been told that in the question. So this is where we're up to. We've got this a half x times 2x times sine 30 equals 50. Okay, let's carry on. So we get a half, x times 2x is 2x squared, times by sine 30, which we already said was a half. And this is equal to 50. Okay, and let's carry on. A half times a half is a quarter, times by 2, well that's going to be a half. So we're going to get x squared over 2, or a half x squared equals 50. Okay, this tells us that x squared equals 100. Therefore, x equals plus or minus the square root of 100, which equals plus or minus 10. Now let's take a look back at our triangle. So in a triangle like this, it's impossible to have a negative length. It just doesn't make sense geometrically. So, with that in mind, we disregard the negative value. So x is not equal to minus 10. So x equals 10 is our final answer. So there we go. Our triangle then is 10. Remember this side was 2x, so this side is 20. And this side is 30. And this is the triangle such that the area is 50 centimeters squared. Yeah, and maybe I should write x is 10 centimeters. Okay, so that's the power of this formula. Half AB sine C, and we found the side is 10 centimeters there. Hope you enjoyed. Smash that like button, leave a comment if you did, and have a lovely day.